Hello, welcome to another video of mine. So today is the first day in like a week that it has not been raining. So what we're going to do is we're going to go for a nice cruise, a nice scenic cruise up to Sea to Sky Highway, probably go up to Squamish. All depends on what the temperature is like and all that stuff, and if it starts raining and whatnot. I do have a rain jacket on, but I'm not wearing rain pants. So let's hope it doesn't rain on the way up. So I'm just gonna start the bike up, and yeah, we're gonna head out. Right now, the bike is not quite warmed up yet, so I'm gonna take it easy as I accelerate up this hill. It's getting there. Now we're going to enter the freeway here and just get up to a nice. Saying this is the first day where actually it was raining all day today and just stopped about an hour ago, so the ground just dried up, and so the pavement's going to be very clean while I drive on it. Now you might be hearing a lot of wind noise as I'm riding right now. That is actually caused by the huge screen that windscreen that I put on my bike. So for me in my helmet right now, it's actually really loud, and I kind of want to have some earplugs or something. It's that loud. Right now I'm doing about 120, and the wind is actually not too bad at 120. To say. It's actually a lot more manageable than if I did not have the windscreen. If I didn't have the windscreen, I'd be doing maybe 100 right now, or maybe even 90. Okay, I'm going to pull up the exit here because for some reason I think I forgot to do up my helmet. And I was right, I forgot to do up my helmet. I am now going the opposite way that I wanted to go. But there was no point in me waiting to go to an exit that I could just go on and off. The last thing I want to be doing is to get stuck behind one of these 18-wheelers. But yes, I pull over for a brake check, which is good. Now, one thing I've been trying to learn how to do since I am a new rider is to be putting less weight onto the handlebars. The reason for this is I get hand fatigue after a little bit because I'm just leaning onto the handlebars and just putting all my weight on them. Which, from what I've been watching videos, is the wrong thing to do. Is use your back and your butt and support yourself. That way there your hands don't get tired and you don't get circulation onto your hands. So any of you guys who are wondering what it's like to ride the CB650R in traffic, well, you're in for a treat. We are now stuck in traffic on a road that never has traffic. Well, I didn't expect this to be how everything turned out today, so I guess it's a failed attempt at going for a nice motorcycle cruise, and then I'll have to try again tomorrow when it's better weather. It's supposed to be sunny tomorrow. For now, I'll just let you sit back and watch as I cruise the highway all the way back home. I would like to thank you guys for watching this video. It was not what I expected. I expected to go a lot further today and take a nice scenic ride, but unfortunately there was a lot of traffic and there's nothing much I can do. So I've had this CB650R for just a little bit over a month now. I'm enjoying it a lot, and I'm having a lot of fun with it. So, currently, right now, the bike is at 1,429 kilometers. So it's well past the break-in period, and yeah, I've been enjoying it. So, anyways, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more videos as I make them. Okay, have a good day.